Hello, everyone. This is your girl Pauline from My Crafting Hut. Hope everyone's doing well today. I am just coming on to show a couple LLCs from Designing with Nessa. I loved what she did with those clear boxes, so I decided to give it a try. But before I show this, I just want to thank all of my subscribers. Uh, for subscribing to my channel. If you're watching this video, thank you for watching. And to my new subscribers, I saw you. Thank you for subscribing. Let's go ahead and get on into this quick video. So, the first one I'm showing is this one from this one right here. So what I did was I put the teddy bear in there. I have the loofah. I have the perfume and lotion. And I've had this for so long. And please, I hope I'm saying the right place. I believe I got this from Roses a while back. I've had this now for over a year. So yeah, I believe it's Roses. I have the bubble bath that from the Dollar Plus store, and I have some chocolate. So what I did around here with this one was I bought this ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I just went ahead and dressed up the sides of it, all around it with the ribbon. And I went ahead and I used the backing from the treat box that Vanessa showed us. I used that as a backing, and yeah, this is what I came up with. So I'm not going to close this up yet because I want to put some more candies in here, and then I'm going to put, and I'm just using this as an example, but I'm going to put up here, I'm going to put some flowers and a balloon. I was just playing around with this, so I won't be putting this on any gift. This is just something that I'm playing with, but this is the plan to use something like this on top there, um, on the top. So yeah, so this is one of them that I did. And let me show you the other one. Let's- Okay, so the other one is very much just almost the same as what Vanessa showed us. And in this one, I put the chocolate, the loofah. I have some body ecology, the watermelon body ecology bath wash, and I have this down soap. And this is, I believe, the hand soap. Yeah. I also put in here some flowers, and I think I'm going to change that to a different pink flower. But yeah. So this one is gotta straighten up a teddy bear. So yeah. So this one is similar to what Vanessa did. And here I also have a face mask. And and I have in here, let's lift this up so you can see. I have in here a heart pillow. So put that right there. So yeah. So yeah, y'all. That is this one. Okay. On on this one, I am also going to put I plan on putting some flowers and a balloon. And the plan is to have, oops, that didn't work. The plan is to have the teddy hug the flower, hug the balloon stick right there. And yeah, so I don't know what kind of flowers yet that I will put there, but that is the plan. So that is this one, y'all. So tell me what you think about it. Again, this is all inspired by the design from Designing with Nessa. Thank you very much, Nessa. I love you for all of your hard work that you do and you share with us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So for if oh, okay. So yeah, so thank you very much. So before I end, I just want to show the gummy bear. This is one that I'm going to be working with, and I'm going to use this little body ecology. I found this the other day at Walmart. Uh, and this was the only one that I found that they had there, so found that. I plan on using this little light up rose. We have the yellow candle, and I still have some of this good bad stuff that I got from Pop Shelf a while back. So I plan on using some of that. So yeah, y'all. So those are two of my LLCs. I think they turned out pretty good, but I wouldn't have come up with that idea with Nessa. I like the way she supported the teddy bear on the top. My teddy bear, look at my teddy bear head. I gotta fix that. It's just leaning. It's being packed away for too long. But y'all tell me what you think. And if you made it this far through the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your support. And until then, hit the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I need all the help I can get in building this channel out. But anyways, thank you. And until the next video, God bless. See ya.